Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to try ChatGPT. So go for the Google browser and search for ChatGPT. If you are not logged into the ChatGPT website, then you need to first log in or sign up. After that, you can see a page like this. So in this GPT 3.5 version, you can ask anything from here. Okay, and it will answer. Okay, oh, and it will answer anything. Okay, and just again, it will answer anything what you ask. So after that, you can go for new conversation from here, or you can go for this plus icon, and also you can add new conversation and go for in this three dot option. You can see all of your conversation. If you made already, you can see all of this conversation here. Then you can go for in this three dot option, and you can save it or share it from here. You can share it on this messenger, or you can share it to your by your message option. You can copy link and share. Okay, uh, and you can go for print. You can do the print this conversation, and you can just uh, go for PDF, and you can save it to your device. Okay, then again go for three dot option. You can see an option as add to home screen. You can add it to your home screen. You can see this is to your home screen now. You can directly use it from here. So after that, if you want to use the chat gpt 4 version, then you can go for it and go for upgrade, or to upgrade to plus, and you can use it fill all these things. You have to enter your card number, month and year, CVC, and all these things. After that, you can subscribe it and use this GPT 4 version. Then you can get more things from here. So that's it. This is how you can try ChatGPT. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.